Welcome to Da Nang. Where is Marcus? He's not here today. Something is wrong. Yes, the weather is off. It's very cloudy and cool actually. I see a little bit of a blue sky here, but no, it's very cold. Yesterday I was freezing in the evening even, so it is not rainy as it was projected from the weather forecast, but it's cooler, definitely cooler. If the sun is not out, it's fresh. Locals wearing puffer jackets, as you can see here, even winter jackets. But yeah, this is February, right? February 50-50, it can be hot, it can be cool. It will rain here and there, but it's definitely not as bad as December or January. But you gotta know that as well. If you're coming here for a beach vacation, it might not be the best option. Even though 1.5 weeks ago, 1 week ago, I think it was very nice. Lots of people were on the beach. But you will see. Hey, how you doing, mate? But we will check out the beach today. You saw my beach views, my beach vlogs the other days. It was pretty packed and nice, but this is also reality, and I will show you this as well. Another interesting thing here at the moment is all the motorbikes are gone. Look at this. That's a very good indicator that the city is very busy at the moment. Lots of tourists. I also had trouble getting hotel reviews done because some hotels are just fully booked, especially the ones with a very high rating on Agoda. But I checked and I will actually have 5 hotels today. I will do a video about 5 hotels. I will link them below as soon as I have it. Very interesting reviews with my French-Canadian friend Francois. Oh my god, it's so windy here. I'm actually freezing a little bit now. I'm still wearing a t-shirt, a polo and shorts. Or maybe I should also have long pants. Oh, let's have a look what's going on here now. How far are they? Okay, they're working on it. It looks like it's maybe 1 or 2 months more. They're making this little huts. Looks very nice. This is gonna be all protection from rain and sun. It's gonna be good. They're working on it. Very good. I think the new night market or whatever they're gonna do there, it's gonna look very good. Ooh, it's cold. Ooh. Yeah, so again, I repeat, oh look at this, is a beautiful beach bar here now. Again, I repeat myself very often because many people approach me and like, hey, why don't you tell us to not come in January or February? I always say it, and I say it again. If you want to have a warm, hot beach vacation, better go a little bit later. March is already good, but April is pretty much safe. So my favorite month is April, May, June. But after April, every single week it's getting hotter. I like it. You have to know that as well. It's gonna be very hot, humid and hot. But for that you always have the beach, right? The ocean is very, very rough right now. So no one is in there. The beach beds are empty. If you go back 4 or 5 videos, you will see completely different look here, where everyone is out. But this is also the reason why everyone is out, especially after this very bad December and January. As soon as it's warm, people come to the beach and enjoy it here. So not today. It's pretty windy, but I feel a little bit of a sun. You see this? As soon as the sun comes out a little bit, you feel it on the skin. It's like nice. But if the clouds are there, ooh, and the wind, ooh, a little bit too cool for me now. You can see here, the locals have puffer jackets on. I even saw some people with winter jackets on. I think this is a little bit too much, but yeah, as you can see here, I'm still on the summer look. But I actually bought myself some hoodies and some wind jackets for this winter. So I got everything. Well, it's February, so I refuse to wear anything of them. Here's the lifeguard. The other day I was on the beach with Marcus, and very interesting. There was a lady. No one was really in the water because it was very wavy, but one lady was losing control from surfing. She lost her board, and then she was like stuck a little bit outside there. And we were just sitting there, and then we saw some people running towards the lifeguard. The lifeguard disappeared. He ran away somehow, but some surfers ran in right away. So the surfers were faster than him. The surfers ran into the ocean and rescued her very quick. So I think there were 4 surfers, jumped on their boards, run into the ocean like Baywatch, swam with the surfboards because it was so much faster than swimming normally. To her, they got her locked up into one of the surfboards, and then took her back to the ocean, to the beach, and everything was fine. She walked away, took her surfboard, and left again. So, yeah, I think if you are surfing, have some surfers around you, right? So, could have been avoidable if she's like straight away with people, and it's a little bit better. Especially if you're very new to surfing, either way have an instructor or have some friends around you if you lose control and you cannot get back to the shore. So, but yeah, everything was fine. But yeah, those waves are tricky, and you see it's like very, very chaotic in there. If you go into the wrong spot, it will push you out in the ocean. So yeah, in the summertime it's very calm, and you will see this on this channel too. So do me a favor and go and subscribe right now. I know you're watching on the TV mostly, so just go one up and then to subscribe. And while you're at it, give me a like as well. Thank you so much. This is the pasta place. It's still closed. It's also not that nice to eat pasta now with this wind. Might be also a little bit tricky when it's super hot, but yeah, it is what it is. It's still looking nice, and a little bit of the sun comes out. It's very nice. But yeah, like I said again, March or further, you're safer. But then on the other hand, I have many friends who tell me also, Sammy, I love this weather. It's nice and cool. I'm on the beach. I still have the breeze, still have the ocean looks. I like to walk on the beach. It's beautiful. I hate the heat. I don't want to sweat. If that's you, that's your time of the year. Because rain is bad, but like if it's not raining and just like that, it's good. And even though The weather forecast says everyday rain. It's not like it's raining non-stop. It's December, it can be like that. But now if you look at further away, at the Sonchua Mountains, there's 100% rain. That looks like very, very hardcore there. And sometimes also the other mountain areas also could be rainy. But here it's still good. It's very windy, to be honest. I hope the sound quality is good. But yeah. So you see here, Highlands Coffee. This is a little bit of a beach update, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video and see you on the next one.